Also tonight, a Xenia man sharing his story now after recovering from COVID-19. He says he first noticed his symptoms 2 weeks ago. 2 News reporter KRISTEN ESKOW live in Xenia after speaking with him and his family.
Yeah, Adam, the man I spoke with is an airline pilot who believes he may have caught the virus while he was traveling. Now, he says he is allowed out of quarantine now by the county health department, but says he plans on continuing to stay home.
I was kind of like, man, this couldn't be it, could it?
That's what was going through Dewey Davenport's mind as he drove home after traveling. Davenport, an airline pilot, says he had flown to places like New York and Florida while trying to protect himself as much as possible.
We had a lot of anxiety, but we were wearing gloves. We didn't have masks at that time, but gloves, cleaning the airplane, you have special disinfectant.
Davenport says he came down with a fever 2 weeks ago from Sunday. Then about 2 days later, the coughing started. Davenport says 4 or 5 days into the illness, he started having trouble breathing.
When I would lay down on my back, flat on my back, I would have some breathing issues there. It was just hard to breathe.
I didn't know, how sick he would get. So I was really very worried at first.
Davenport's sister, BRIDGET has been bringing groceries to his door since he got sick.
I like to see his face at least once a day. He comes to the door. He has a storm door, so he'll come to the door and wave and smile, and then he gets his groceries and goes back inside.
Davenport says after about a week, his symptoms subsided, and he never had to go to the hospital. He tells me he has shared his story on YouTube to give people a sense of hope.
When people hear that you have the COVID-19 or the coronavirus, it's like they just think that you're going to die. And I just wanted people to see, like, hey, I've had this virus and I beat it.
And Davenport tells me he did have to wait a while to get his test results back. He tells me he found out he was positive almost a week after he got tested, and that was around the time his symptoms began to subside. Now, doctors say symptoms of the virus include fever, cough, and shortness of breath, and if you think you may have it, you're urged to call your doctor or other healthcare provider. We're live tonight in Xenia. KRISTEN ESKOW, 2 News, working for you.